So I'm going to show you how to put not just a patch on and how easy it is to actually put on. And so I got the color pink because pink's my favorite color at the moment. So this is how it looks. Pretty much the directions are in the back. Pretty much I have my Dexcom right here. And so how I do it, I like to pull on them first just to get that little sticky thing off. I get the center off first, right? And then I usually try to match it up how I want it, right in the center, and then pull one side of it at a time. So I don't like to stretch it way too much. And then this is and then oops, get the second part off, and at the same time I don't like stretching it too much, kind of like making it flat. And this is how it looks. And they have a variety of colors. Pink is my favorite one. So that's how easy it is to put it on.